Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Vera Bradley ID holder and lanyard. Before I start this video, before I get into talking about these two things, I just want to say that normally when you purchase these, you are going to be purchasing them separately. If you guys are familiar with the brand Vera Bradley, this is I don't want to say very expensive, but you will be spending some money worths on these, so just be ready for that. And you do purchase them separately, so this by itself is kind of pricey for an ID holder, and then the lanyard by itself is definitely a little pricey, but I definitely think it's worth it, but I'll get into a little bit later why I think it's worth it. But before I start, I just want to show you guys it. So this is the ID holder, and you can see it's embellished with, like, I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but it is embellished with like the Vera, and then it says Bradley up there. This little keychain right here, this little hole says Vera Bradley, and then this one right here says Vera Bradley, and then it just comes with this key thingy. I don't know what this is called. Sorry guys. And it just hooks on here. Something that I hate that I'm not too fond about is like that it comes with these two key rings. You can easily take one off, but I just always left this one on, and I just attached it to this one, but it's like two useless kind of key rings to me because I don't have that many keys. But yeah, so getting started on this brand, and then I want to talk about this set. I first got introduced to Vera Bradley because I danced all through high school, and one of the gifts that I got for Christmas was a Vera Bradley bag that I used to put my dance stuff in. And so just getting a gift, like, I didn't know how much it cost. Bag itself, like a lot of Vera Bradley's products, there's like kind of like a cottony, like patterned kind of texture, and so I just thought that it was like a dance brand bag. Like, I was unsure. I was like I wasn't like cultured on the product as much as I probably should have been. But yeah, I ended up purchasing this when it was like my junior year of college, and I found out about it to a knowledgeable point when one of my sorority sisters, I saw her with this cool lanyard, and I was like, where'd you get it from? And it's just like a typical black lanyard, so it was nothing like really special, but I was in the market for a black lanyard. Tongue-tied, but I was in the market for a black lanyard, and I really wanted to try something new. And she was like, oh, this is just a Vera Bradley lanyard, and her ID holder was actually Vera Bradley too, but I didn't think it was because it was like a patterned one like this, and then her ID holder was just like, our ID lanyard was just like a typical black one. And so I ended up like going to look on the website. So expensive, guys. I was like, whoa, this is a lot of money to be spending for an ID holder. But she ended up convincing me because it's true. So in my time in college, I think I want to say I had around 6 to 9 ID holders. Lanyards don't last that long with me either. They tend to break or get dirty, and it just doesn't end up well. But yeah, so I've had so many, and this is actually the last one that I've ever purchased because it has lasted so long. But yeah, so I ended up going to look on the website, and I ended up going into a store, and I was like, you know what, like, I should just go to a store and purchase it. It might be a little cheaper, which it was. And guys, this is the one thing that I'm going to say though. Vera Bradley, with their ID holders and their lanyards, they have so many different designs and so many like different patterns, and the way that the stores are set up and even trying to look for them online is the hardest thing. So that is another thing that it's just like a big downfall to me. But guys, I just want to like explain this. So like, finding this matching set took me around 30 to 45 minutes, and it took 2 people and 3 of my sorority sisters to help me look. And all of their matching sets that my sorority sisters got too they were like, it took a lot of us, a village, to look for it too as well. But the funny story is, so I ended up purchasing this in stores, and so the lady went in the bag, she looked everywhere. Another lady came, helped her look. Unfortunately, they couldn't find this lanyard, but they ended up finding a regular black lanyard. So I do have a regular black Vera Bradley lanyard that I did purchase with a set, and after that, it took me 45 minutes just to end up buying a black lanyard. And I wasn't mad because originally what really caught my eye about this brand was that black lanyard. But I was like, I'm so unsatisfied. Like, I don't know if this is just me, but I hate things that don't match. So I ended up staying up all night that night trying to find that lanyard, and I finally found it. And I found it on Amazon, very inexpensive compared to the price that I would have paid for it at the store. But it still was a little pricey for a lanyard. But yeah, here's my matching set. I love it. I can honestly fit so many things into it. I love putting my school ID into this pouch, and then it's like, here, I'll show you guys. It's like, this pouch is where you put your school ID, and then you can put like the rest of your cards and everything there. Be careful because sometimes I accidentally end up putting my debit card back in there, and you don't want anybody to know your numbers. So always make sure you're putting your personal cards in the back. It's like a very like durable, sustainable texture. That's why I really do love this brand, and that's why I'm always going to say it's worth my money. It's honestly like one of my favorite things that I have. I love putting my keys. The keychains are big enough for me to fit all my keys in there. But like I said before, guys, this is just the Vera Bradley. It's like the ID holder with the lanyard, and yeah, I suggest getting it.